Why fairy tales are really scary tales. Dispose. Meaning get rid of. By throwing away, the wolf runs on ahead and disposes of the grandmother. Then gets into bed dressed in the grandmother's clothes to wait for Little Red Riding Hood. Synonyms. Throw away, cast out, get rid of, abandon. Cautionary message. Meaning, one that is intended to give a warning to people. The universal appeal of these tales is frequently attributed to the idea that they contain cautionary messages. In the case of Little Red Riding Hood, to listen to your mother and avoid talking to strangers. Anthropologist. Meaning, a student or expert who studies about human societies and cultures and their development in might view. What we find interesting about this story is that it's got this survival or relevant information in it, says anthropologist Jamie Tehrani at Durham University in the UK. Folklorists. Meaning, those who study traditional stories. That hasn't stopped anthropologists, folklorists, and other academics devising theories to explain the importance of fairy tales in human society. Phylogenetic analysis. Meaning, the study of the evolutionary development of a species or a group of organisms, or a particular characteristic of an organism. To work out the evolutionary history, development, and relationships among groups of organisms, biologists compare the characteristics of living species in a process called phylogenetic analysis. Gruesome rusum. Meaning, causing repulsion or horror. The answer, it would appear, is fear, bloodthirsty, and gruesome aspects of the story, such as the eating of the grandmother by the wolf, turned out to be the best preserved of all. Synonyms: frightful, horrid, horrifying, fearful. Antonyms: pleasant. Retain. Meaning, absorb and continue to hold. Why are these details retained by generations of storytellers, when other features are not? Synonyms: preserve, conserve. Gripping. Meaning, firmly holding the attention or interest, exciting. Maybe being swallowed whole by a wolf, then cut out of its stomach alive, is so gripping that it helps the story remain popular, no matter how badly it's told. Perennial theme. Meaning, continuing without interruption, lasting or existing for long. He believes the perennial theme of women as victims in stories like Little Red Riding Hood explains why they continue to feel relevant.